I may sound like a little bit of a broken record, but I'm a big fan of the right diet and exercise all the way through your pregnancy if you don't develop any worrisome conditions that say that you can't exercise, but also being aware of the normal conditions in pregnancy and when to call the doctor. So, for example, everyone knows that nausea and vomiting are pretty present in many pregnancies in the first trimester, and a certain amount of that is fairly common. However, if you get to a point where even drinking water or even trying to eat a light meal does not stay down and there's constant vomiting or there's weight loss, those are conditions that can't really be written off as to the normal nausea and vomiting of pregnancy. So knowing when there's a line between what to expect and this is out of the ordinary. So knowing what to expect at various weeks of pregnancy, of course. When someone is about 22 or 23 weeks, they may feel a little bit of fetal movement, but it's not unusual to not feel movement all day long. Whereas when someone's 30 weeks, they should be feeling movement all day long. So we want to know from those people that if there's a decrease in movement, they need to get our attention or get in touch with us. Should be very high priority. Also, again, I'm mentioning no drugs, no alcohol, minimal caffeine, maybe up to 2 cups a day, getting the proper immunizations during pregnancy, and also proper checkups to make sure the baby's growing well and doing well throughout the pregnancy.